Somebody diss app Shani.
Lady P. I wait for Lady P come after you later on down the line. Shani P outdated. Shani P want a little comeback, but I did tell her no. I told her when she came on my page that you are stupid because you should have never dissed that man. You should have keep it on the low. But no, you rush to the internet and you do things. Do you think anybody was gonna keep up with that situation for years? This is social media where a mix-up lasts for about a week or 2 days and then it vanished. We don't remember nothing about you, them gone to somebody else. Like, unless you're just born popular for stay relevant like me. Like, well, I don't even have to do anything. I'm just born relevant. I've been relevant from Facebook days. Even when I'm behind bars, I'm still relevant. Because my name still be on social media. There, and there. But it's a Shani, you're not born like me, no. You're not born in the film world, so you will never stay relevant. You just do something to stay relevant, but it gone now, it outdated. And you're blocked again. So we don't really look on Shani. Shani can't take her. Shani, me never look at a man and they refuse me yet, you know. What? Shani, I've never tried to date somebody and they refuse me. You went on multiple people page. You remember the last live you went on talking about I follow you trying to hit up with somebody and you got a radam. You were so ashamed you had to leave the live with a laughing, but you were laughing. But not every laugh is a joke laugh. You have some laugh is a shame laugh. You're so ashamed that you don't know what to do with yourself, but you just have to start laugh. I say that one. Shani look like she want me to go for the message when she did want to come on me yard, come sleep when you never have nowhere to go. And what did I tell you? What did I tell you? Because I will go dig up your Instagram and screenshot those messages. Hello? Hello? Shani, the other day when you had nowhere to go, whose Instagram message you were whose Instagram you were texting? Who you were crying to? Whose house you asked to came? No, who else you asked to come stay? When the same lady where you stay with got your workplace go make mischief, so you say your workplace and them fire you. Now my house did one come. What did I tell you? I tell you no. And you know what happened? I always tell them no, but then I go back and tell them say, I have a friend that can help you. I always tell her no. I always tell Nashi, everybody in general want to come at me. I always, even with Mitchell, I tell them no, but I have somebody where you can stay with them for a while. But you still can't see me like me. We come at the house, come look for you, we can meet up. But you can't come at my house. Put me there, make you come at my yard. You just say God protect me from all of you. The first one they get put out, that same one there, we get put out of Florida. And you want to come here and tell him no. See me go back to New York, go live. Lady P, if you come here for your birthday, I'm glad that I'm so she never come here. Shani did want to come here, I tell her no. But at the end of the day, y'all want to curse with me. Why?